family, how you all doing? So I guess people have been asking, where is this YouTuber? Where is this girl? Where is this girl for a while? I haven't been around. It's a lot actually, but here I am. Thank you for those that reached out to me on WhatsApp to ask me how I've been doing, what's happened, what's popping, why I've been away for a very long time. So here I'm just here to show you our Pixie. So it's Pixie is trending. Everywhere you go, Pixie, and it has lots of styles, different styles. So this is one of the Pixie one of my YouTube clients ordered while I was away. Yes, others kept coming, and I appreciate you all. Thank you all so much for trusting me with your money. Aww. I appreciate. So this is what the Pixie looks like. So can you see? So this is her ear to ear. It's not mine. My ear to ear is quite smaller than this. So just here to show you the beauty. So we have this available. If you want to customize this extra fee, like this is customized. Once she wears it, she just cut off her lace and it melts. Can you see it? It melts on her skin. No need for installation or anything. So yes, and let me show you the second one. This one, the net has actually been cut and customized too. So I am back here again. We are back by the grace of God. We are back, and I'll be posting as much as I can. But before I post, I want you to drop a tutorial on what you want me to upload. If it's ventilation, okay, I have like 2 people that ask for tutorial on how to bleach a knot of a closure. So if you want same tutorial on how to bleach knots, I will do that. I'll create that for you all. So please do well to leave super thanks, because your girl has been monetized. Yay! Okay. Wait. Let me show you what the second Pixie looks like. So I'm going to show you what the second Pixie looks like. The second Pixie cut I'm talking about. So let me wear this for you to see what I am talking about. So I guess you be needing a small meal, because right now I'm stuck. I don't know. Okay. I think a small mirror will do. But you can see this other side fit perfectly well. I don't have mirror with me here. So hence the... So one second. Let me go and look at the mirror properly. But
so this is what the Pixie looks like. Notes. This is an old wig actually, yes. So I've rocked this wig in different styles. So this video is to show you that we can customize your Pixie in any desired desired style, choice, pattern, because you can see this now. Can you see this? This one is different. This pattern is different from this on my head. Can you see this? You can see I wore it as a glueless wig at first. So this is what the back looks like. So the back looks like my Pixie. Let me tell you one thing. My Pixie always lap at the back. We don't do those Pixies that hangs at the back. No, see how lap it is, how beautiful it is. So if you want to order for any of these Pixie or any of our braided wigs, please do well to copy this number, send us a DM, and we are going to deliver, because we deliver like the Hebrew woman. Yes. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your bell to get notified whenever I post any video or any tutorial. But for now, bye, I love you, and please do well to drop the tutorial you want me to create for you on my channel. Wait, have you watched this video? Have you? This video is a detailed video on how to customize Pixie and how to do that coil pattern. Yeah. So that's the same thing I did on this. That's the same kind of I use my tiny coiler to coil this place. Yes, that's the style here. So